welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Hi, I'm Gabby. Today I thought I would kind of share with you my experience with future self journaling because I've been doing it for a month and I have many thoughts about it. I kind of thought about it near the end of 2021. I really wanted to do something a bit more consistent with journaling, just because whenever I journal on my regular journal, I kind of tend to take a long time just because I like to write my thoughts and not stop until I feel kind of emptied, which is kind of a weird way for me to kind of say whenever I don't have anything bothering me anymore, or I feel like I've expressed everything that needed to be expressed, I just stop. And that usually takes me about 30 minutes, I would say. And so I really wanted to be more consistent and find a way for me to journal every day and kind of retrain my brain in a way. I thought future self journaling was the way. I've heard about future self journaling from Jenn on YouTube. She's so amazing. I'm so obsessed with her videos, and she's been talking about it for a long time because she's been doing it for, I would say, probably a year and a half or something. She really said that it was the best way for her to retrain her mind and to kind of think of how she could improve herself every day to become the person she wants to become, and that was exactly what I wanted to do. I really wanted future self journaling to be something I would stick to and really do very regularly. I've actually been doing it for over a month now. I mostly do it on weekdays just because at the weekend I don't really either take the time to do it or don't feel the need to. It's really for me to retrain my brain during days when I work that I need to kind of switch it up, because I can tend to be a bit negative, or my mood can tend to be not the best when I have to get to work, or woke up feeling funky, didn't have a lot of sleep, and I know that that for me is usually the time when I can tend to not get the best approach on things. So every morning I fill out a page of this gorgeous notebook. I kind of prepare my questions in advance. So basically, future self journaling is a way for you to journal every day to become the person that you see yourself being in the future, who you want to be, your higher self, your better self, your improved version, I would say. When you do it every day, it's really a way for you to really understand that who you are going to become in the future is a product of who you are working on being right now every day. And I love that. I feel like I tend to be the kind of person to be, oh yeah, I'll be like this whenever I'll be an adult, or whenever I'll be older, whenever I'll be 30s, whenever I'll have a child, I'll be this way. But really, I'll be the version that I'm working on right now. It's amazing to think that every single day you were working towards a goal, a better version of yourself. But it means work. It means everyday work on yourself, your mood, your perspectives. I found that really future self journaling is amazing for that. I don't think there's a specific way to approach future self journaling. For me, it has been answering questions, and those are the questions that I've seen Jenn answer. She talks about them a lot, and I've switched them up a little bit. I think in the beginning I answered different ones, but basically those are 7 questions. You answer as long as of an answer as you want, I guess. For me, it kind of fills in the page. So first I started with these. My daily affirmations are, then today I want to focus on the 3 things I'm grateful for, 3 traits I love about myself, the person I am becoming, and then I fill it in. I have the opportunity to be my future self today when, and I am proud of, or that. Now I've kind of worked towards another version of it, which is I always start with daily affirmations, and then today I will shift my pattern of I'm grateful for, traits my future self will have, the person I am becoming will experience more, I have the opportunity to be my future self today when, and I am proud of. I found that it's really amazing for me to focus on the traits and who I want to become in the future, and kind of see how I can manage for myself today to put that into action. It's been really amazing because I found that it really shifts my perspective in the morning. Whenever I think like, how do I feel today and how can that impact my day or influence who I am today, and I'm like, okay, so I'm in a bad mood, I don't feel great, so maybe today I won't approach the day with gratitude and enjoying the day. So I'm thinking, okay, so my future self will be more open to experiences. She will be okay with not having a good day, but have kind of the self-regulation to make sure that she really takes it all in and is grateful about it. And I kind of think, how do I want to approach this in the future? Who do I want to be in the future? So usually it's like like I want to be more confident, I want to be more positive or accept when things don't go my way, and then I kind of try to implement it in my day, the day I'm writing my future self journaling. I found that it's really amazing because I started with affirmations, what I need to hear today from myself, and then I kind of move on to, okay, how do I think I'm going to approach today, my perspective on the day, and how can I shift that so that it goes into my goal of who I want to become in the future. I've been so much more positive. I've really been more grateful as well and accepting of every situation. Even on Mondays when I don't feel great, I'm like, you know what? It's the start of a fresh week. You are going to have a good day. This is going to be a learning experience for you. You are going to learn about yourself. I want to be more positive in the future, so I am going to be more positive today. I want to be more confident, so I'm not going to judge myself or doubt myself, and I'm going to be like, okay, you can actually do this. And by doing it every single day, you are retraining your brain. You really are. I've been doing it for over a month because I believe I started on January 5th actually. Today is February 15th. I've really felt that it's been so helpful for me to really change my perspective, change my mood as well. It doesn't take me a lot of time. I would say it takes me between 6 and 10 minutes depending on how much I'm working on that day. This time in the morning has been so great because I finish my stretches and I move on to my journaling, and I'm like, okay, I'm settled for the day. I feel so much different from when I woke up this morning. Throughout the day, I kind of still have this in my mind because I try to reread everything after I'm done writing it. And I've really found that it's been so good and so helpful for me. So if that's something that you think about, or like you don't really have time for journaling every day, because really it's such a good work, I would say try to do future self journaling most mornings and kind of journal whenever you have the time. If you are like me and you journal for a long time, or you like to journal for a long time to let everything out, or even if you journal every day and you really feel like you want to work on your future self, honestly, just try it out. It's so amazing. If you have any questions or anything like that, I will link down below Jenn's videos all about it, and my video from the start of the year. And leave any questions in the comments below. I will try and answer them. I'll do an update, I think, in like a few months, and I hope you are going to have an amazing day. Do believe that you will if it's the morning. Hope you had a nice day if it's nighttime for you guys when you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.